Hey YouTube family, it's your girl Triple B, and I am back today with the requested video on how I bring back my curls and get them back popping. In this how-to video, you guys are going to learn my way of achieving my gorgeous curls with not having to use thousands of products. Let's save those coins while we can still achieve that bomb curl pattern. So what I like to start off by doing is sectioning off the hair. As you see, it's not perfect, but however, if you are a perfectionist, go ahead and do your thing. I will then take my spray bottle filled with water and spray it on the section of the hair that I am currently working on. Work by sections so it goes on more evenly. I will then take my wide tooth comb, since I'm working with curls, and start to detangle. You want to always start from the bottom to prevent less shedding. My first product that I will be using is the Curl Scrunch by Garnier Fructis. I personally do not use a lot, however, use it to your discretion. Do make sure that it is enough to see almost an instant change. The key to bringing back curls to life, no matter what method you choose to do, is to take your time and ensuring that the product is massaged deeply in the hair. And I'm just going to go back in with my comb, making sure that the product is evenly distributed within my section of the hair that I'm currently working on. My next and actually last product that I'm going to be using is by Herbal Essence, their Mousse. We are going to repeat the process by putting that product on our hands to our discretion and putting them nicely in our curls, okay? We are seriously going to bring these curls back to life, honey. I went ahead and just did 1/2 of my wig to show you guys the difference. My wig wasn't too bad to begin with. It definitely has seen worse nights, but it clearly wasn't in the best state of curls. So you guys, this is the finished result. Still a little damp, but you guys get the picture. Well, the video. If you'd like to see more how-to videos from me, and that includes makeup tutorials on how I achieve beautiful results without using a lot of products or money, please like this video and subscribe. So until next time, you guys, remember, the world is yours.